Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading, but we're going to be talking about why not every swing trade is going to be this massive home run trade. You know, what makes up a successful trader isn't, turning $1 into $100 million. Obviously, doing that is incredibly risky. You're going to be taking the worst trades possible because you're going to be trying to grow an account super fast. So guys, we're going to be really talking about today, base hits, strategies, stuff like that. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and guys, if you want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you how to trade. This isn't a get rich quick. This isn't alerts or anything like that. This is proper strategies, proper techniques to get started, whether you're a beginner or you're maybe already a advanced trader just wanting more strategies and another outlook. And guys, tomorrow is the last day for the 50% off sale. So code Halloween for 50% off. Click that link, sign up, and I'll see you guys in there. But guys, let's jump into this. So like I was saying earlier in the video, is everybody expects that every trade you make is going to be this massive return. And I'm sorry, that is not the case. What makes a successful swing trader successful is really, in my opinion, it's a handful of things. It's just taking profit, right? Most traders don't take profit. It's so mind-boggling to me that if you're up 2-3% and you're getting unsure and you don't know if you should take profit or not take profit, and by the time you make that decision, the stock has fallen down and now you're down on your money. So the biggest thing is when you're up on your money, you should have no issues taking profit. I've never lost money taking profit. And obviously, other important things is like good risk management. You could have, honestly, a kind of a bad strategy. And if you have good risk management skills, you can be a very successful trader because the trades you're taking are, risking $1 to make $4, $5. So you could be wrong, 4 times and still make money on your trades. So let's talk about here some stocks we're holding, giving you guys kind of my approach, my mindset behind it, and go from there. So let's look at this here. And obviously the broker I am using, if you guys are starting out trading, check out Moomoo. I know everybody loves them, but I'm a Moomoo guy. I think they're the best broker out there. They have great charting, good scanning, they offer really good indicators, and more importantly, they offer paper trading. So if you're just getting started with trading, you can practice simulated trades before you guys take trades. It's a really good thing here. So let's talk about this trade on TXN here. So TXN here, before I ever take a trade here, we want to make sure that the trend is in our direction. And that's exactly what we have. We have that good upward trend. And you guys will notice that each and every time, this stock is sold off down to this trend line, we've gotten good buying pressure. So it hits it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. Recently hit it here. It popped up above it. And you guys can see here, looking at this, we actually got in near and around this $200 area. So looking at this, my thought process behind this was very simple. Entering here at like that 200 range, keeping our stop loss just below here, and our target up here is about a 4-to-1 risk and reward, right? And this is why, guys, I love Moomoo. So check them out if you guys are getting into trading. So let's show you guys why a 4-to-1 risk and reward is really good. So if you guys are starting out with $500, imagine over the course of a year, you take 25 trades. And with this trade here, we risked about 1.4%. But honestly, we'll round up to 2% because that's honestly about average. And then we have a risk and reward of 1 to 4. So risking $1 to make $4. Your win-loss percentage here, that just imagine, is 50-50. When you buy a stock, it's a 50-50 chance of making money. So your $500 trade, calculate this out, over 25 trades is over $1,000. So you doubled your account. Now, yes, it's 25 trades of a 4-to-1 risk and reward. But the thing about trading is base hits, focusing on that, understanding your stop loss, and all that is incredibly important. Let's look at a trade that's honestly not going our way. And am I worried? No, because I understand the process. Looking at this trading calculator, what do we notice, right? If we look down, we notice there's times where you dip down, right? This went from 540 to 529. It actually went from 572 all the way back down to almost the same levels here. So general sell-off in not the best trades and losing money in trading is part of the process. You'll never meet a trader who's 100% every single trade. If they are, they're probably selling courses on TikTok. I'm just kidding. But if somebody is 100%, they're the best investor of all time. And I think that's very, very important. So the thought process behind this trade was very simple approach here. We entered, let's go ahead and draw it out. We entered near and around that 90-day moving average line. We set our target price. Let's go ahead and zoom out. Up here in the resistance zone. You guys can see the zone of resistance right in here. So let's go ahead and draw that out. So our target's up here. Our stop loss, let's go ahead and move this down, is about 2%. So in the mid 126 area. Let's go back to our calculator. So this is about a 3-to-1. So we can look at this. Calculate that out. Still is a good trade, right? There's times where you get sell off, right? All of that stuff's part of the journey. You just have to focus on those small, whoa, you guys saw me super zoomed in for a second, but you just got to focus on those small returns. If you're expecting to make $1 billion trading, I'm sorry, but I'm not the trader for you. It's going to be very, very hard to do that. Just start small, learn, invest into education. And honestly, that's it. Invest into yourself, invest into education, and you'll be in a great spot. Have an outlook, in my opinion, of about 2 years and go from there. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out our school, Swing Trading Masterclass, code Halloween for 50% off, and we'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.